Are you tired of switching multiple X, Twitter, accounts across devices and browsers? Worry no more. In today's video, we're showing you how to manage multiple Twitter accounts on a single browser, completely free, with the power of Genlogin. Twitter's security is getting smarter. Logging into multiple accounts on the same browser or IP can raise red flags, leading to account bans. That's why you need a smarter solution. Subscribe now to our series on managing multiple accounts across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X with Genlogin. Hello. In this video, I will guide you on how to write a script for automatic posting on Twitter effects using content and images generated from ChatGPT. First, you need an API key for ChatGPT to generate text and images. To create a new app, go to the Automation section and select Create App. Then, choose a profile that is already logged into a Twitter account for use. Go to the Twitter homepage and open the tweet editor. Next, use ChatGPT to generate content and images for the tweet. Choose the appropriate image format and enter the generated content into the tweet editor. Copy the image link from ChatGPT and insert it into the tweet. After obtaining both the content and the image, input them into the tweet field. Wait about 4 to 7 seconds, then press the tweet button. Check if the tweet has been successfully posted. If everything works properly, the posting process is complete. You can create additional shortcut apps to optimize the workflow. And that's how you create an automated script for posting on Twitter/X using ChatGPT.